In this video, we'll be showing you step by step on how to install a monoceiling mount shelving system. Before we begin, please note that we recommend professional installation with all of our products to ensure that all the attachments and blocking considerations are met. The first thing you need to do is find suitable ceiling blocking which can support the weight of this unit as well as its contents. Mount the collars to the ceiling blocking and affix using the provided fasteners. Be sure to face the set screw where it will be least visible. Usually this means towards the wall. Slide the bracket into the collar and tighten the set screw to secure it in place. Be sure to leave 3.5 inches of space between the bottom of the bracket and the floor for the adjustable foot. Then slide the foot under the bracket and adjust the height until it sits tight against the floor. Next, mark the height at which you'd like your top shelf to be installed. Attach the mono end plates. Repeat this step on the opposite bracket. These plates are the components that will hold your shelves securely in place. Place your shelf on top of your plates and secure them in place from underneath. Repeat this step for any additional shelves. While this video shows the installation of a shelving unit with wooden shelves, glass shelves and the glass clips needed to support them can both be purchased at fittingscollection.com.